Hey Team CRST, Keith here again with Safety Saturdays. Today, the topic we're going to talk about is sliding fifth wheels. As we move to one CRST, we have a lot of different jobs that we do here, and we need equipment that can service each operating company. The way to do that is to make sure our equipment is versatile. So you'll notice on the new 2022 Freightliner Cascadias, we have sliding fifth wheels again, something that we haven't had in a long time and might be a first time dealing with it for some of you. So you'll notice this one's all the way back. That's a problem. We also don't want it all the way forward. Here are the risks. All the way forward, we risk taking off the fairings when turning and backing, and even, believe it or not, damaging that AC unit. Also, all the way back, we're going to throw off the weight on our drives and on our steers. Really, same thing if it's all the way forward. The position that we want this fifth wheel fixed and locked in is if we center this bolt here over the front mounting bolt on this spring hanger. So they should be directly above and below one another. That's how we know this fifth wheel is centered and where it needs to be. In your truck, you have controls that allow you to unlock this, slide it back and forth. You want to make sure that it stays in a locked position, because if it's unlocked, when you're going down the road, accelerating and braking, this fifth wheel is going to slide back and forth, and you're going to feel that when you're driving. Worst of all, if you take off too fast or have too much weight in the trailer, you can pull this fifth wheel off the back of the tractor assembly. So let's get in the cab and see where that button is, so you understand what I'm talking about and you know what you're doing. All right, so let's find that button. First, of course, always 3 points of contact. Seat belts, safety first. Now our sliding fifth wheel release. So that button is right here. You notice it says air slide. There's the position for sliding it and the locked position. Once that fifth wheel is centered and where it needs to be, you always want to keep that in the locked position, unless you're with an operating company that's hauling specialized freight that requires otherwise. So that's it. We'll see you next time.